All right, we back. Would you say you're gonna turn up? Look at him, little nonchalant ass little boy. All right, we got our Dunkin'. Look at that shit. White chocolate, iced coffee. You can never go wrong with it. Just saying. I'd prefer Dunkin' over Starbucks any day of the week. That shit is gas. And it's cheaper, I feel like. Alright, she ain't gonna go, then I'll go. Listen to that Terpsky pull up. Ooh. Hopefully you can hear it without the wind noise, because the wind noise be a little crazy. Ooh, what do we got here? M2. I'm gonna try to race that motherfucker. See if he want to play. He's got his girl in the car. I don't know what gen that is. I know it's the newer one, but I don't know if he has the M55 in there or it has the S55. Or no, it's S58, right? I don't even know. It's one of them. If he has that in there, I'm cooked. But I'd give him a run for his money. We ain't got no room to play though. Do a little pull. Come on, man. He won't play, bro. Oh, maybe he will. We'll see. M2 don't want to cut up. This dude. I tried, bro. Ooh, SRT Jeep. Man, he didn't want to play, man. I was trying, man. I was trying. I was giving it my all. He did not want to go. Man. All right, I'll get back to you guys.